Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curler and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be using products from my Black is Beautiful. So I'm just going to read to you a little bit about the product. This is a hydrating shampoo. It says this is a creamy formula and increases moisture retention and restores hair strength to help prevent breakage. This product costs about $11.99 and again it's at Sally's Beauty Supply Store. This video is not sponsored, by the way. This is the most hydrating shampoo I have tried this year. My hair felt amazing while shampooing my hair, and even after washing my hair out, my hair felt good. I have not put this shampoo down. Do you hear me? Since using it. Like, oh my god, I absolutely love this shampoo. The next is the Fortifying Conditioner, and it costs at $12.99. And to be honest, following up after this shampoo, I couldn't tell the difference because the shampoo was so hydrating that I did not feel what the purpose of this conditioner was. So the intense recovery treatment is what I'm using now as a deep conditioner. It costs $12.99. It says it repairs hair, restores moisture after the first use. I will say that I instantly noticed my hair had shine to it when I was applying it to my hair. I sat on the dry for 30 minutes. My hair felt so amazing. This is a very good deep conditioning treatment for hydration, especially if you want moisture. I normally like to use my Camille Rose natural products when it comes to a really like deep conditioning treatment or a protein treatment, but I really felt like I was getting everything I needed within those 30 minutes of this deep conditioner. Like, it did the job because my hair felt so soft. It just felt amazing. So I'm going to be using a Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. This is for type 3 hair. They do have one for type 4 hair. This costs $12.99. It says maximize the slip to minimize detangling. Now, you're not going to really see how much of a difference this is for. I'm just using this as a leave-in conditioner, but when I was detangling my hair for my wash and go, because I no longer have my hair steamer, my dog is just trifling. I have a bull mastiff. They're big and heavy, and when they get into stuff, they get into stuff. So that's when I seen the difference of how much it can detangle. But as far as this right now, I'm just using it as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be doing a foam wrap. I've really been feeling foam wrap wash and goes. It's just, I don't have to go through per sections to get the job done. My wash and goes seem so fluffy, so lightweight. And I've been using this product, and I leave everything in the description box below. I've seen a lot of stylists use this. I use this normally when to keep my protective styles, like if I'm doing a weave protective style, to really keep my frizz down. And it's really good when it comes to roller sets, rod sets, braid out, twist outs. It's a really good product for setting fine hair or any kind of hair type. But I know for fine hair, it's very lightweight. It gives you that kind of volume when you're trying to pick your hair out. I really like this foam wrap. Now I'm just using a wet line Xtreme gel just to add that firmness to it, because this is a foam wash and go, and I'm using a foam wrap, and my hair, it doesn't have that kind of hold that you would get from a gel. Especially on fine hair, you kind of need that hold, because after a while your wash and go just won't I don't know, it'll start to puff up in a different way, in a way you don't want it. So this is how my hair looks after, and as you can see, the curls are very soft, but it is very fluffy. Because the foam wrap doesn't have heavy hold, it's allowing me to go through my hair very easily to pick my hair out, and I'm getting volume. I'm just, like no other. And the gel just helps me to retain those curls, because if I would have just added the foam wrap, some of the curls would have been picked out. But that's also why I like to use a metal long pick, because shorter picks that are not metal tend to pick out the definition of your hair. I did that in my last video. In my braid out video, I did not have my metal pick. I used a different pick, and I ended up picking out the definition of my braid out versus actually keeping the definition. And a metal pick allows you to give volume as well as keep the definition when you are picking hair. Like, it doesn't pick out the style so much. But my final thoughts on the product, again, the normal conditioner, with how great the shampoo is, I don't really notice what the conditioner is doing, especially since it's only in there for a few minutes. But the deep conditioner and the Tangle thing is just, the Tangle cream is just something I have not been able to put down since trying it. I absolutely love these products. But again, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you don't need the products, don't go out buying something, because there's nothing worse that can damage your hair as being a product junkie. Trust me. you can damage your hair by doing that. But thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.